All right, guys, it's your boy, Be Free Boss. We're back, baby. We're back, baby. We're back, baby. You know what rhymes with back? PPF rap, and that's what we're doing today. Today, I am teaming up with D3 Motorsports. I'm gonna be bringing my Supra over there to take care of her, right? Maintenance, get that carbon fiber hood, PPF, right? Protect your investment, guys. I highly recommend it. I don't want any rock chips on the hood for sure. Realistically, I should be PPFing my entire car. I love the yellow. They don't make it anymore, right? Nitro yellow. It's the channel, it's the theme, it's the lifestyle. However, if I do change my mind, I don't want to get too caught up and too invested in wrapping my whole car in PPF and ceramic coating. So today, I'm just gonna do the hood. I'm gonna go link up with Darren from D3 Motorsports. He's the owner. I really look forward to meeting him. He is someone that is to say the least, an inspiration, man. From where he's come from to where he is now. I'm excited to meet him. I'm excited to see what the shop looks like and do some business with my boy. Thank you guys for tuning in. I have some more news for you later on. There goes my baby.
There goes my baby.
They should have let me perform at the Super Bowl instead of Usher.
What the hell?
My baby was super dirty. I had a baby shower on Saturday and we did it at my ranch. I have extra property. If you've seen one of my other videos, I'm in the middle of nowhere. That's where I did it. So it got rainy and my car got super muddied up. So I have to get this thing cleaned up before I get a TP there. Shout out to my boys here taking care of me real quick.
Oh yeah, fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah, I'm excited, man. She's gonna look great after this. I told them to take it easy on the carbon fiber hood as I'm about to get it PPF. Every time I see her get cleaned up, bro, it's just like love at 30-second sight. However many times I've seen you, baby girl, I love you. Hey, my boy, checking it out. Nah, I appreciate you. What's your name, bro? Eduardo Lance, man, but I go by Be Free Boss, man. I appreciate it.
I like the car.
Yeah? Yeah, nah, it's definitely a fun car. I drive, it's my daily driver.
Oh,
yeah.
My hobby is
Oh, yeah?
cars.
Yeah?
Here, I drive in Ferrari, Lamborghini, Ford,
Oh, really?
Bugatti.
All here?
Yeah.
Yeah, come in and get a quick wash?
Only move.
Yeah.
Little, bro.
Little,
Oh my God.
hey.
It's essential.
I'm about to go and get the hood like a wrap to protect it. Yeah, so then I can get more aggressive wash. But right now I don't want it to get swirls.
GR Supra and the white, black and
Yellow.
yellow.
Yeah, see, amarillo. Should have got the start up, but I let my boy Eduardo take it to get to the hand wash section. So quick hand wash, guys, before we go get PPF. Shout out again to my boy Eduardo for making this little pit stop fun, but my baby will be nice and cleaned. Oh, what's up, senor? Okay. Yeah, I got you. My boy Eduardo wants hear some sounds. He wrote it in Spanish and translated it. Hey, if I got any people who can speak Spanish and want to record all my footage for me and roll with me, let me know. I'm here in Houston, let's rock. Was just at Sparkle's hand car wash and my experience there was actually really great. Again, I'm here in Houston, we're around like Memorial. Their reviews are hit or miss, so I was kind of hesitant about visiting them, but honestly, they did a great job. Car looks fantastic, inside and out. I don't know what else to say, but give them a shot, man. They're definitely doing it right, and Eduardo made my experience super well. I'm gonna give him a review for sure. He deserves it for sure, 100%. But we are about 10 minutes or so away from D3 Motorsports. So I'm gonna go team up with Darren and let's get this PPF going. I'm excited to meet him and his team and see the shop, and I'll get you guys some visuals of that, as well as get this PPF on and rock and roll. Oh, it's recording.
Oh, hi.
Hey, I just pulled up to D3 Motorsports and my boy Darren's car is right out front. This is nice, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I think I got him beat. What you guys think? Drop down in the comments what you think. This red is actually really fire. He just wrapped it recently, and again, they did a really good job on this thing. However, there's got some really nice custom wheels he made himself. D3 that MK4 Heritage wing. Super nice compared to my A90. Looks like he's running HKS exhaust compared to my Tomei. I don't know, man. I think I still gap him though. Different angle for you guys. We are getting somewhat close to being done, and Miss Erica's killing it. She said she's gonna start her own course for you guys. Again, use code Lance. Yeah, we gap these, but thought I'd show it to you guys. Big Vossens. I promise it looks this good in person. Big steam. The goal now is take this from stock to probably, I guess, an E50 tune, potentially into a top mount turbo. I guess basically we'd probably max out around like 600 wheel horsepower or so. And then from there, I'd either sell it or keep it and upgrade from there. So when that time comes, just how much of an upgrade I can go to. But yeah, maybe a Porsche GT3 RS, but that's probably a little bit further down the line, unless somehow, some way, you know, the Lord blesses us with that opportunity faster than we think. Before then, I have some other things in mind. Maybe I might even do maybe an M3, something like that. So my buddy just bought one. I'm gonna focus on my baby for now. But yeah, whatever opportunity comes, if it makes sense, and again, we gotta just make sure it's progressive, right? And don't want to go backwards. And there you have it, guys. Almost done. We just got Miss Erica's fingerprints off this thing. No.
Almost done.
Nah, no rush, no rush. Erica just slammed my hood. Nah, guys, we are done with the installation. We're just gonna get the baby cleaned up, and I will get you guys a full-on visual of the finished job here shortly, but it looks amazing. Exactly what this car needed. Thick investment, but again, I'm super happy with it. Changed the whole look of the car, and it'll be easier to keep this baby clean, because I don't know what it is about these vents, but they love leaves. PPF done, cleaned up. You missed a spot. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Nah, it looks great. Honestly, you guys did an amazing job. Shout out to the team here at D3. So yes, guys, 100% would 100% recommend it. Protect your investments. You see that little nick right there? Bothers me, but it's okay, because we're doing better as we go.
You got the most important part done.
Right.
Yeah, the most expensive, let's just say that.
I can always wrap that and you'll never know, but this thing, gotta get her covered. Erica wanted to pull the car out. So we got this old dirty thing over here, and then we got the real Supra. Shout out to my boy Darren for hooking it up today, as well as Erica. Did an amazing job. You can't even tell. However, we are protected. So guys, super important, protect your vehicle. Again, I bought this vehicle not only for myself, but for you guys, right? When I went to go and search for content on Supras, I found some stuff, but I figured there's some things missing that people don't cover. So I thought important pieces for you guys like PPF as far as taking care of your vehicle, guys. But she looks amazing, ready to tear Houston up. What's up, baby? We back, baby. Hey, listen, I am just honestly so happy to be back to making content. It feels so good to reconnect with you guys. Again, I know the footage that you're about to, or that you just previously watched or whatever, is just like some quick ram through of important information. Protect your investment, right? This is my baby. I put a decent, pretty penny in this thing. Funny enough, I talked to one of the employees there, and she asked me, hey, how much have you put into your car so far? Crazy enough, it's a lot more than I expected. We're over 10K, boys and girls, creatures. Yeah, we're over 10K in add-ons between performance and accessories. This thing is not only for me, but for you guys, anyone interested in buying a Supra and just building out any car, man. This is the process I'm going through that I would recommend, man. It's been a journey. I appreciate all of you who have joined me and come along the ride. Realistically, man, I am just super happy to be back in front of the camera, back in front of the Be Free family, man. Thank you guys for supporting me. But yes, protect your vehicle, protect your investment, whatever that investment is, protect it, man. Don't run around here. I'm in Houston traffic, so I thought, you know, I need to get you guys some FaceTime. Haven't seen my boys in forever, it feels like. It's only been 2 weeks, but yes, important news. I have a baby boy. Little Benjamin St. James is on the way. I'm excited for the world to meet him, but more importantly, me and my lady to finally meet our baby boy. Content will be back to a consistent standpoint. Speaking of which, the lady's calling me. Get you guys some more information here in a moment.
A few minutes later.
All right, we're back, baby. Shout out to my baby girl. We're about to go get some food, but wanted to get back to you guys, man. Man, I appreciate you guys so much. You have no idea. It just feels so good to create content. I wish you guys were just like truly here with me, working on this vehicle, building it out. It just feels really good to be back in front of the camera, guys. Maybe tomorrow we'll come out back to D3. Shout out to my boy Darren for looking out for us, and Erica for hooking us up with the PPF. It looks great. I feel a lot better about riding around with my carbon fiber hood. But yes, I'm thinking about getting some new tires, at least in the rear. They are starting to really bald out. Not really balled out, but it feels like it with the tune and downpipe, etc. These stock Michelin Pilots, they're just not hooking at all. I'm not really racing like that or anything, but again, they are definitely causing some issues when giving this car some juice. New tires, and then I gotta get some new wheels, right? You can't just buy new tires and not get new wheels, but baby steps, right? Because, you know, new wheels, new tires. So I can also look into what I was talking about is an E50 tune, right? So I can at least get the more power to support it, and then we'll figure out exactly which wheels, which again, I think is gonna be the BC Forged MLE 81s. But with all that being said, guys, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will be back every week as many times as I possibly can for you guys, between the long form, the shorts. Follow me on Instagram too, man. We're gonna focus on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, cool and all, but follow me on Instagram and like and subscribe and join the Be Free family. Don't be a lame loser. I'm signing out. It's your boy, Be Free Boss. Woo!